time. A long time I didn't make the video. So today I have the X3M here, 2020 brand new, and then I was removing the tail light. It's totally different than other BMW. It's simply easy, but maybe you open the other BMW, especially F series, and then thinking is the same way. No, that's make me confused also. So that's why I'm gonna take the video. So as usual here, have the one rivet or pin, just with the tools remover. I have to use the small one, but I couldn't find it mine. So careful to not break in those pins sticking there, same as 5 series, X6 or those things. Okay, two nuts here, size 10 millimeter, and the things are making me surprised because usually BMW inside here have the one plastic pin, so going inside sometimes when you little bit push it or hit it here or with the something make it play and then it's coming out, sliding outside, but this is no. Let me turn on the light. Okay, look at here. Here have the one bolt 10 millimeter behind that is cable. Okay, so you need to remove that one. That's made me confused, and then it's really long. Can you hold this one for me? Okay, thank you. As soon as I open it, it's getting loosened and coming out. Okay. So holding with your body, and then another two. I think BMW for their new series make it like this. Before that I had the BMW X6, also new version 2020. I couldn't remove it, so now I learned it. I think all new series have bolts inside, so that's coming out. And then, so now this is the way you can remove or uninstall the BMW 2020 X3. I think all the X3 are gonna be same, but this is the X3M. I hope you guys like my video. Please subscribe my channel, share my video, comment below, and I will really appreciate that to watching me. See you next time.